Look, the burp is the little guy.
We got video camera.
Video.
I know he doesn't look so comfortable. It's like, Mommy, what are you doing to me?
Oops, sorry.
Come on.
Yeah.
Maybe he'll go to the bathroom.
You didn't poo-poo? Huh?
I want
Christian,
you to
you didn't
poo-poo,
poo-poo?
I want you to burp, I want you to do it all.
Let's go check up on Tatiana here. How you doing your first day home, Tatiana? Hey.
Oh, good.
Oh, big burp over there. Can we see a cute little face, huh? Can we see your little face? Okay.